Uqhawe is about to learn the hard way, thinking that Umamakhe doesn't think she's good enough and trusting Azande with the project. Kanti Azande is only looking out for himself and trying to get back to Lazarus and Zoe. And she's gonna learn that her parents are only trying to protect her. Hlathi and Tumeka are rekindling their love, and Uyanga is preoccupied with Dozake. But Unsiki thinks that Tumeka must not stay just for the kid. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Yo, Azande Uli. Two girls at once. Now she's even trying to steal the idea kaQhawe, not exactly steal, but take project yake and sell it to other companies internationally and convincing kaQhawe ukuthi they're not taking her seriously. And I think he's only doing this for himself because he wants to get back to Uzolega and Lazarus. Now kaQhawe, the things that her mom said to her yesterday, saying that she still be a bit wet under the ears. Behind the ears, I feel like Umawake thinks she's not good enough. She cannot do this on her own. I wonder what made her think she can do this whole thing on her own. Lazarus tried to convince her, no man, you know, when at the foundation that you have, you've got access to things that young inventors do not have. So use it. We're trying to protect you. And then Kawabad is so hell-bent on trying to build something for herself. Does not want to listen to her parents' mom Yala while they know they've got experience in the tech world. And then Uzolega saw that his situation was tense in the morning and tried to speak to her again in the office, saying that what she's doing is not that she does not think she's brilliant. Uqhawe is brilliant, her idea is great, but having an idea does not mean that you are ready. There's still a lot that needs to happen. Uzolega tries to make her see, this is a good criticism. I'm just doing it so that to protect you, but Uqhawe does not seem to think so. She just said, I can hear you, Mama. I don't think she does, hey, because she probably thinks that Uzolega does not want her to succeed on her own. She wants her to latch on to her Jengomawak. Now, so I want to know, I wonder who gave you this idea, because you can do this on your own. I think I was just curious. She does not mention Azande because she knows he is involved. And then she goes to see Azande. Azande wants to know, you speak to Zolega, what's going on? Uqhawe says that I think Uzolega is right. It's too early to venture on my own. And then Azande ati, what if you don't have to do this alone? Singayenza so you too. Imagine. Uqhawe zathi muswana work for the Ngunganas. I feel like Azande has just joined Ukusela just to get back at Lazarus Nozolega. Not that he wants to really be there. And Uqhawe an idea that he can use to actually better himself up. And obviously this thing is not going to treat Uzolega no Lazarus well. To know that Uqhawe took her invention and gave it to Azande. And Azande uzomgila. I can surely tell you that Azande uzomgila Uqhawe. If she does start this thing with no Azande, imagine leaving everything behind and starting something new, no Azande. Uzogileka untombazane, she's going to learn the hard way. Manje Tumeka noHlathi have rekindled their love. Sesekusha though, but uHlathi was already thinking, I think you should move back to her bedroom. Ungasala endlini kalikamva. Utumeka thinks no, it's too early, man. Let's just take things slow. But we can start with being honest with Yanga. See, we're giving each other another chance. They tried to tell her in the morning, but Uyanga is preoccupied into Zak and I in the back and all that. Actually, she took a different turn and now wants to change her life. Now, unseke nothandeka, they come to Tumeka. They can say good time, man. There's something eshintshile la. Mathanzi wants to know ukuthi dear, wena uhlathi nibiyelene yini? She does not answer and says she does not answer, says mina I've always been glowing. I saw the way you guys were so like glued to each other esibhedlela. Ngabona ukuthi hayi khona into la. But obviously maybe you're reading too much into this. Tumeka says that they just want to be better parents to Younger. And so Mathanzi vele it's good that the kids must see their parents bekahle bonke bendawonye. But don't say the things, that's where the danger is. This thing of staying for the kids, they must do it for themselves, not because they are forced to do it for Uyanga. And then Mathanzi says if there was something she would know because Tum tells her everything. Once again, I says that brother wakhe, ubhuti wakhe tells her everything, so she would also know. So they're convinced there's nothing going on, and they decided to keep it a secret. Hlathi and Tumeka tried to tell Uyanga again after school, but Uyanga has her own problems. Tua, the principal, wants to see her parents because of the video yake that was circulating of her drinking. Athi vele maybe they're gonna take her head girl badge, and vele there's no point vele because they also cancelled the matric dance. Abazali bakhe so nje he's just gonna have a bad year. So they reassure her because we're gonna be in this together, but they cannot tell her yet. So they decide to wait. And then now, Thandeka saw Tulani going through Zetu's pictures on socials and says, yes, I know I've been encouraging you to find someone and get married and uzmele, but uzethu mntanam, uzethu really was engaged to Ligamva when go to Soyaka, so you cannot go for Zet. You know how this whole thing was. This thing can cause problems for us because remember, indaba kaZoleka noThumeka noHlathi, like those that cause very big problems in the family. We don't want to go back there. Please find someone else. Like I hope Xolani will stay away from Zaitu. And I remember even like the way he looked at Zaitu, ngabona ukuthi khona inkinga la. Manje, this Portia girl is giving my way to the runaround. Apparently my way to thought they had a date, but you know to know it wasn't a date, we were just hanging out. But the way she looks at her, I'm sure they're gonna have something special going on. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.